Hey, let me show you all the best features of the Google Pixel Watch 3. So first of all, I'm gonna start from the settings. I'm gonna show you what features you can find here, and after this I will move for the health features and apps that you can use on this device. So first of all, when you enter for the connectivity, as you can see, we can find here Bluetooth, but of course the device using this to connect to the phone, but also we can connect here wireless earbuds, headphones, and that's actually great extension because if you make the phone calls, you can actually speak through your headphones. That's great extension. You can also listen music to your earbuds. Then we've got this option with connected fitness devices, and this function actually allows us to connect compatible exercise devices and apps to see real-time heart rate on the display, like for example the treadmill on your gym. We've got also here the Wi-Fi connection. So you can simply go without your phone outside, be connected to the Wi-Fi, and simply answer to your WhatsApp messages or emails. We can also find here NFC. So what does it mean? That we can pay with this device. And this is also, this is the Wi-Fi version, but there's also the eSIM version where you can activate your plan, mobile plan, and you can make the phone calls straight from your watch, and the same for the messages. So that's a great extension. If you want to purchase this device, be sure that you choose between the Wi-Fi or the eSIM version. This is two versions of this device. Of course, the eSIM version is, there's like a bigger price for this, but if you need this, then it's worth to actually pay. Now I'm gonna open the settings of the display, and right here in this device, we can actually find the always on display. But you actually cannot change the theme of the always on display. You can do this, but only when changing your watch faces. And right now we are going to navigate into the next option, and it will be the Google Assistant. It's just right here. You can even set the Hey Google, and as you can see right now it is working. So you can basically speak with your Google Assistant. That's pretty cool extension. And this device we are also able to find location. So if you want to pick this device outside with your phone and track your activities, for sure you can do this. There's also safety and emergency. So as you can see, we've got this option with the emergency sharing, and this function actually sends our real-time location and updates to our emergency contacts that we can set up just right here. The next option that I want to show you, maybe it's not that popular, but it's very useful to actually get this information, that here we've got the TalkBack. So this function is actually really useful for all people who have difficulty seeing the screen. And also we've got the Magnification. If you want to zoom in, if something is not good visible for you, then you can triple tap to zoom and then drag one finger to move around the screen. Now let's go back from the settings and let's move for apps. Right here as default we can find the camera application. So we can connect camera of our phone, we can take the photos, we can switch to the selfie camera, we can switch between the different modes. Take a look. There we go. If you want to take the photo, we can for sure do this, and you can even zoom in or zoom out. That's really nice extension that you get as the default. If you lost your phone, you can still try to find it by clicking on this icon, and your smartphone is going to start ringing. On this watch you can also make the phone calls and receive phone calls, and the same with the messages. As you can see right here, we can find access to our favorite contacts, recents, contacts, the dial pad, and the same for the messages. Also we can find here the sound recorder, which is located here, and all of these records are stored on the watch. You can listen to them.
And as you can see right now, it's recording sound.
There we go. And also, when you go into the all apps screen, we can find access to all of these features, all of these apps, thanks to the Google Play Store. So we've got here, for example, the Google Maps, the Gmail. We can, for example, download calculator. We can also download some games, Strava application, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, Spotify, a lot of streaming services. There's like a lot of different apps that you can download right here. Now let's move into the health features that we can find by going into the Fitbit today. So to get full functions of this device, you will have to connect this into the Fitbit application on your phone. And now take a look. We've got, for example, the cardio load, readiness. We can count the steps, floors, distance. This is like for whole day. It's not for a single exercise. We got also the heart rate that we can simply check right here. We got resting heart rate. We can track our sleep. We can check the blood oxygen level. There's even the temperature sensor that's checking our skin temperature when we are sleeping, body responses, mindfulness, and when you go into the Fitbit application, we can even find more information. So take a look right here. When I'm going to open the sleep stage, I can find it just right here. I can find the different sleep stages like awake, REM, light, deep sleep. There's also the estimated oxygen variation. Now when you keep scrolling, we can find other options. For example, we can find this SpO2, the heart rate, that's called, the shortcut is for HRV, which is located here. You've got description of every parameter right here. So if you don't know what it does, for example, you can check this. We can even set, when we go right here, then we can click on our device and we can set here the high and the low heart rate alerts. We can set our main goals for the steps, distance. There's like a lot of different options. There's like really useful. There's even the fall detection, but you cannot turn it on or turn it off. It's right here on this watch as default, and it detects your falls, but it's also not available in every region. So I've got second video on my channel where I'm showing you in which country you can actually use this feature. And yeah, that will be all. This is, in my opinion, like the best features of this device. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.